Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Inspector General ka Border Security Force Hardip Singh hakjingi kenduk kinom tok bor nekasngi ulai tho mana kalian ketenat ya dari hau ni usnam arhajar arpau kalayo kem kumba 10,000 tam kimasi kini kimasi kedai ki balawan nakaleng ki jela ban kidon ki balawan nakajela Assam ban shalan syakari Bangladesh shushu ulai tho ro ba yakini kimasi hadin bagi lapoy ki khaput mat abalalap makini kimasi kedai ki bom pendon kam hakajela nakalian ketenat kalakem no yaki yakini kimasi ketenat BSF kala IT no syaka district administration makin le ya kabadon kam handai kidon ki jaka kiba ketenat kasyamjing e namar ba district administration kasyamjing e ban penbiang ba dunap kapisa hakini ki benda ketenat BSF kamban se ban hapet ikimasi hak jaka ban pahara yaki kapot.
We have seized about more than 10,000 of caters which are being smuggled from India to Bangladesh. This is your first issue regarding cattle smuggling. These caters are coming to Meghalaya from outside also, right from Guwahati onwards. So BSF is not seizing the caters in interior areas. When they reach near to the borders, then we seize the caters. So as I have told that during this year we have seized more than 10,000 caters. So whenever they reach in the border areas and we find that these caters are not for use in Meghalaya or maybe smuggled, so then we seize the caters, even we apprehend the person who are involved in that smuggling. These are the FIR is lodged against them in the police stations and further investigation is done by the police. Caters are kept in the area which are specified and they are feeded there. The maximum they try to cross from the unfenced areas or wherever there are gaps. There are some gaps in the fencing where there are the rivers and naras or under the fencing there are some hume pipes and some culverts. So we have covered those with fencing and all that. But still they try to cross caters and other things from those areas. I agree with you in some areas, but no, we don't hand over the caters to the customs. No, we hand over the caters to the police. And police, it is under, they have already management of the caters is under deputy commissioners of the respective districts. So when we hand over to the police, they have their, they have already state government given orders for, they have created locations for keeping the caters. But still in a few areas, there are some difficulties where some civil administration or the deputy commissioner say that they have shortage of the funds to feed the caters. But we are in touch with them regularly, so that the caters are managed properly. The constraint is I got your point. The constraint is for us also, and the constraint is for respected deputy commissioners also. Sometimes they may be having shortage of fund and to manage such a large number of caters. Our constraint is if cater we have seized, like yesterday night also we have seized some caters. So if these caters are now taken by the respective agency very soon, they are with us. So then it's very difficult for us to keep those caters. Then our Jawan, instead of doing duties, they have to manage the caters. So that difficulty is there. But now we are able to manage with the help of the respective deputy commissioners. Some extent this management is better now as in the previous years. So I hope that the management will be improved in the coming days.